Morning. I was reading my paperwork this morning on the way to the job. Said that we was in a walk-up. Get here, and this is the walk-up. This is the walk-up attic. Our salesman said it was a walk-up attic. "32 inches. I hate an ignorant salesman. Can't stand it. Guess it ain't too bad considering, but as close as this roof line is, coming about 12 o'clock, that thing gonna be beating down on our backs at about 120 degrees probably. So we ain't even worrying about the outdoor right now. I had Sean pump it down. He cut it loose, and that's it. He left it alone. Me and him are both up here. We're both gonna be in the attic sweating because we both understand what it means for one person to sit up here and be hot as fuck. That's how you work as a team to get shit done. So, new air handlers, new pad, new return plenum, and new collars with a new outdoor unit. We're gonna keep the supply plenum, so might do a little update when the job's done.